Hey team, welcome back to Train Like a Ballerina. Today we are doing a around 10-minute core workout. This is one of the many new incredible workouts on Train Like a Ballerina. If you haven't checked out the website and app, go check it out now because we have just launched our first male trainer. And he's also launched onto the platform with a 6-week program, Total Body Reset. We designed this program together for everybody, dancer, non-dancer, whatever level you are. It's designed at progressively building up your full body strength over the course of the 6 weeks, resetting your strength. Let's get into it. This is workout 1 from week 1. It's called Core Wake Up. I'm going to be doing it directly from the website. If you have the app or the website, you can join in with me. Let's get started. Starting lying on our backs, our spine pressed down into the mat and just bringing both legs to 90 degrees. And we're just dropping, alternating toes from the beginning. Focus on your breath and also focus on your core remaining tight throughout and your legs not coming beyond 90 degrees. So they're staying in this beautiful 90-degree angle here. Your spine is pressing down into the mat. 2, 1, cross extensions, extending one leg now and opposing arms. You'll be able to hear Robert giving direction from the app, but I'm going to guide you through this workout today. Remember, keep breathing. Spine pressed down the mat, nice and flat. Rest for 30 seconds. Remember guys, this is a beginner core wake up this morning. I hope your core is feeling nice and warm already. Taking a big breath in, big breath out. One more time, big breath in. If you don't want to rest, you can continue doing these toe taps in the rest periods. We can just take a bit of a break, prepare yourself for the next round. And let's go, we're going to do 100. Raising your entire upper body as much as you can off the ground. And we're breathing in, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, 4, in, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, 4. Think of lifting your scapula off the ground. So not just lifting our neck, trying to lift our whole upper body. Nice guys, double leg extensions, bringing our legs into a nice fold position and extending the legs out. The lower you drop the legs to the ground, the harder it's going to be. So if you want to just bring them up to the sky, that's also okay. Big breath in on the crunch, out on the extend. Good, let's do one more guys. Good, another rest. Again, if you want to keep going, go as you please. I'm already really tired. Oh, taking big breaths in and big breath out. Nice guys, we've got 5 more seconds of rest. Nice, and single leg stretch. So we're extending one leg and pulling our other leg towards us. Trying not to actually grab that leg too much. We're just placing our hands on that leg. Again, trying to lift our scapula up off the ground, not just our neck. If you're getting a bit of a strain in your neck here, put your neck down on the ground and just do your legs. Nice and slow, guys. Pressing that spine in the ground. Now we're going to do a pulse. So as you bring your leg in, you pulse, 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 exchange, and pulse, pulse, pulse. Again, head down on the ground. if your neck's feeling a bit strained. Good. And last one, pulse, pulse, pulse. Again, continue with this one if you want, or take a rest. Nice, guys, you've got 15 more seconds of a rest or continuing. I'm going to take a 15-second rest. Nice job, guys. How are we doing? Single straight leg. So same thing with a straight leg. Now, if your hamstrings aren't really taking you there right now, that's totally okay. Just trying to grab your leg behind your thigh and scissoring the legs. You can also do this with a bit of a bent leg. This is not so much about the hamstring, but more about the core, keeping the core active the whole entire time. And if you're more advanced, grabbing the leg on the calf, never grabbing the leg behind the knee. And double pulse with this leg, so double pulse and change. Double pulse and change. And remember to put your phone on silent when you're doing a YouTube video. And change. 10 more seconds, guys. Really lifting that upper body off as much as you can. Nice, beautiful, long ballerina neck. Nice, guys, and take a big breath in. Continue with the straight legs if you don't want that rest. Let's do it, guys. Let's do 20 more seconds. Good. Last 10 seconds, guys. And nice, guys. TLB leg drop. So all we're doing is dropping the legs. We're having our arms in fifth and our body raised again. Hands down by your side and neck down if your neck's a bit strained. The point of this exercise is to try and keep your spine on the ground for as long as you can. When you feel your spine coming up, so if someone could fit a hand under there, press it down, feel your core and draw up. This is not about how low you can go, how controlled you can go. Let's do 2 more because I was too busy explaining. 2. We're gonna go into a cease now. So a cease, sorry, explaining things a bit too much, is crossing your legs over very, very quickly from 5th position to 5th position. We want to think of actually crossing the inner thighs, not crossing the feet. So our legs are straight and we're crossing from the top of our inner thighs. So you're going to feel this in your inner thighs here, but the lower you drop your legs, the more you're going to feel it in your core. Keep going, guys. Got 20 more seconds. Spine pressing down, crossing from the thighs. Thinking your legs are in between a wall, going out, in, out, in, out, in. 3, 2, 1, and rest. Nice job, guys. Thank you guys for joining me on that core workout today. On the workout, there are actually 2 rounds of that, but one was enough for me today. I could not be more thrilled to welcome our first male trainer onto Train Like a Ballerina. We have a growing, incredible team of master trainers, all ex-professional ballerinas or current professional ballerinas, now trainers, now teaching you the secrets of the ballet world that have never been shared before. This is so incredible that we have launched our first male trainer, that he has a 6-week program. We designed this program. It's taken us 4 months to design this program. It's a 6-week program. It's only 20 minutes a day for 5 days a week, and it's designed to realign and reset your body, total body reset. If you haven't tried it out yet, guys, there's a 7-day free trial. Join the team, come train like a ballerina every day with me, with the master trainers, and I'll see you at the next workout.